I don't know what to do at this point. Dang it. How's it going today, guys? Trucks from Water here. And as this video goes up, we're nearing Daytona. And just FYI, if I hit 3,000 subs by June 1st, I'm going to do another GoPro giveaway. We're at 2,800, guys. We're so close, so we'll see if we can push it to 3,000 by Friday. What I do want to go over, though, is lately I've been thinking about this, and I want to share something with you all, because I always pride myself for being honest with you all and being upfront with you all. As you may have known, my video schedule has been really off lately due to time, due to college and working and balancing relationship life and work life and stuff like that. And I'm not complaining at all. I love being busy. I love, different thing for different day. I love that. I love that life. But it takes a toll. Lately, if I'm going to be honest, lately YouTube has not been that fun for me. Don't get me wrong, I still enjoy it, but it's not been as fun for me as it is. I find myself when I try to vlog, especially, like, oh, I shouldn't vlog that because that's going to look good in the video. Oh, that's not going to draw in people. That's not going to draw in this. And, looking on these vlogs, these past few weeks' vlogs, and my previous vlogs, seem like I'm forcing videos. I don't want to do that, guys. I really don't. I love to film. I love to create videos. I mean, that's my other passion besides trucks and stuff like that. But lately, I feel like I've been forcing myself to do it. So, what I've been thinking of, if I'm going to be honest with you all, is I want your all's opinion. Do you want me to keep doing the vlogs the way I'm doing it, or do you want me to make them more personable? Of course, the truck me vlogs and travel vlogs are going to be the same. I'm going to film all that stuff. Don't worry about that. That's going to be the same. And all the other videos are going to be the same. But do you want more vlogs in the sense of personable ones, like dates with me and my girlfriend? Of course, it's going to be centered around the truck. I'm not going to become just a vlogger. It's going to be always centered around trucks and stuff like that, showing what it means to be a truck owner, different aspects of it. But do y'all want me to do more of that? And of course, if any of you are wondering, mods are coming back to the truck. I haven't forgotten about that. I've just been really busy lately. After the Adrenaline show, so June 16th, 15th, and 16th weekend, mods are going back on the truck. I've got a list sitting in my computer right now of the mods I want to buy for once that's done. Of course, those videos are going to come back, but y'all want more personal vlogs, more vlogs about my daily life and stuff like that, because I don't mind doing them now. I'm getting to the point now where I'm comfortable enough behind the camera, and just in front of the camera, as I might say, to start doing that kind of stuff. So do you all want more of that kind of stuff, or do y'all want me to just do truck stuff only? Because if I do truck stuff only, it's going to limit the amount of videos I can do if I don't jump up to more all-around vlogs. I mean, of course, it'd be centered around trucks, like I said before in the video, but that's what I've been kind of looking at. Also, I've also mentioned this in the vlog, of doing more of a start gaming with you all, doing a more meet and greet gaming type thing with you all. If you all are into that, like in the previous vlog, comment down below and say if you want to do Xbox One or PlayStation 4. I really don't have a preference right now. I used to be a PlayStation only guy, but as of right now, both consoles are great, so it's just up to you all. Kind of lean more towards Xbox One, if I'm going to be honest. We'll play Fortnite and Grand Theft Auto and stuff like that, and Call of Duties and stuff like that. But if that takes off, though, I'm going to make a sub-channel called TW Gaming or something like that. But anyways, back on the main point, I've just been, to me, because I make money off YouTube videos. I won't lie to you all, I do. It's not a lot of money, unlike Street Speed 717, Dirty Max Jack, or D-Max Rhino, or, whatever the other truck, car, auto vloggers, vehicle virgins. And side note, guys, if you're getting into YouTube for the money, don't do it. You'll drive yourself nuts. Do it because you love it. These guys are making $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, even $1 million a year off of making videos because they've been doing it for 3+ years. You have to build that up. And channels sometimes don't grow. They don't explode. Some do, some don't. Sometimes it's a grind to where you get that one video that explodes your channel. So, I've been doing it. I make money off of YouTube. I won't lie to you all. I do. And it helps with the truck mods and stuff like that. But to me, lately, it seems like I've been focusing more on the video content that will make me more money instead of video content that makes me happy. And I don't mean to do that. I just catch myself doing, because it is a business at the end of the day. I have to pay taxes. I have to do all that kind of stuff. So it's a business at the end of the day. So I have to, you know, think of it in that sense a little bit. But I feel like lately I've been doing that. And I want to personally apologize to all you guys that think the videos have been slacking. I am very sorry. I'm trying to get back in the groove of it. Thank you all so much for your support, though, guys. 2,800 subscribers to me is unreal. 2,800 of you want to watch videos on the channel, and that is insane. I want to thank you all so much for that and your support and everything you do. I met some incredible people on this platform and through Instagram. Also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, link me down in the description. And all that stuff. If you're all wondering about merchandise, I do have a merchandise thing. It's Teespring's website, link me down in the description. I have t-shirt and sweatshirt for sale. If you want stuff like that, go hit it up and see if you like it. But that's kind of where I'm at right now, guys. If y'all want more personal videos, I'll make them. If y'all don't, you want me to keep doing the way I'm doing them, I'll keep doing the way I'm doing that. But I just want to get this off my chest, guys, because lately I haven't been getting burnt out of it. It's been frustrating to me. I'll be honest with you, it's been frustrating finding content. But I know this summer's going to bring a lot of different stuff. I know Daytona's coming up, so a bunch of videos on that. But thank y'all so much for your like and support, guys, like I said before. Comment down below what you think, especially if you want me to do a gaming thing or something like that. I would love to hear your opinions on that. Thank you all so much for the support. You know, like the video if you like the video, subscribe, and join the Trucks and Water family. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.